close your bracket and you press enter. Then we made some mistake. We are going to repeat again by bringing our cursor to the formula bar, and we start by pressing shift. You pressed shift plus the plus sign to where the plus sign is if you want to press the equal sign. So you press your equal sign and you type average. You open bracket. We are using L, so it is L2 through L6. Then you close your bracket and you press enter. See how it is very simple to calculate using functions. Functions just it helps you to simplify your work. What you do, you hold that and you bring it down and you release your cursor and you see it. So now I will take you through how you can get the position. And position here we are going to use what we call rank. It is also a function that enables you to get the position. So we are going to use the rank, so we can either rank the total or we can rank the average. So what we do here, we just press on the cell to make it active, tap on the cell to make it active. You come to your formula bar. Or any calculation you're going to do, you have to start with equal sign. Then after pressing equal sign, you type rank, you open your bracket. We are ranking the average. For our case, let us use average. And when you want to calculate using average, what you do, you can say M2. You start by putting it here. Getting rank is always, how to get position is always confusing. But if you want to get your position, what you do, you come to your formula bar, you press on it, then you press equal sign, and you press rank, open bracket, then you come to the cell where you want to perform your ranking. So for my case, I'm choosing the average. You can choose total or average, but for my case, I'm choosing average. So you separate by pressing a comma. Then what you do, you can drag your can decide to drag this down like that. So in order not to change anything in this, what you have dragged here, you insert what we call $sign. So to insert $sign, you press on shift on your keyboard. So insert $sign before M, supposed to be before M, this M3. So you insert $sign, this is supposed to be M2. And also before 2, you insert $sign. Do also the same here, insert $sign. To come here also, what you do, you insert $sign and you close your bracket by pressing shift. Then now you press enter. Then you can now see we have our number, someone in position 1. So to get also the rest, what you do, you bring your cursor here and you just drag the rest, drag this down to see also how the ranking of others. Now you can see have our number 1, number 3, number 2, number 4, number 5, just like that, as simple as that. So now I will take you how you can also get comment, how you can write comment like maybe promoted to P6 or not promoted. But now here we are also going to apply our if formula. We are going to use if function. So here what you do, you bring your cursor also to the cell to make it active, and you use your formula bar to enter those if conditions. Like you can say if open bracket, so maybe what we are going to do, we are going to use if, but now the comment, the promotion is always based on the average. So if someone happens to score, let me say our average mark for promoting a child is at 50. So if that person did not score above 50, that person is not promoted to P6. So here what we are going to do, we are going to use our average here. So what we do, if M2 is less than 50, then should repeat P4. Okay, should repeat P4 or promoted to P5. And you close your bracket, then you press enter. Oh, we forgot to press our equal sign, that's why there's a mistake. So what you do again, in order to get the comment, what you do, you come to your formula bar, you first enter equal sign, then you press if, you open your bracket, you open the bracket, and you say if since we are using the average, you can now say M2 is less than 50, comma, then it is actually the person should repeat. If it is more than, then the person should be promoted. So that's how we calculate, actually how we write our comment. So to get the grades, you can also use the if functions, or you can enter it manually. But now that one I will show you in the next video, how you can use the if function to get the grades, like you want to write D1, D2, something like that. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye.